YouTube, welcome back, it's your boy. So today I'm working on a Ryobi pressure washer, a green one. I worked on it a while back, and the guy, he said he took it to his neighbor. His neighbor is a mech also. So he took it to his neighbor, and his neighbor say he put on a new carb, and then he put all of the air intake housing and parts in a plastic bag and returned it. And he also then goes on to say that the mechanic told him he had an emergency. He'll get back to putting on the plastic parts of the air inbox, right? But it is good to start, which is true. You do not need the air inbox, the intake housing and all that to start the mower. And it will be mission capable. That is true. The mechanic did not lie. So he brings it to me, and it looks like a new carburetor, but it's not firing up. It's not running. So I have come across new carburetors where fresh out the box, they are in need of cleaning. So this could be the case. But what I really think happened, what I've been coming across a lot, is guys are watching YouTube and trying to figure it out. Nothing wrong with that. But the problem is they're not absorbing any knowledge to actually fix the equipment. And when they get to a halt where they completely just can't do it, then they give it back and something comes up. That's why it's in a bag. It's the only part of the intake housing carburetor whole assembly is the carburetor. All the plastic pieces and gaskets and everything, they are in a bag. So enough jaw jacking. Let's get it. Alright, so it is a Honda. I worked on it a while back. And it's pretty. So he said he couldn't get it started. He believed it was the carburetor. Well, I'm assuming he needs me to put her back to life. So we're going to take the carb out and we're going to clean it, and then we're going to put it back together. Alright, what he got going on? Fuel's off. Yep. Alright. This is a brand new carburetor. Yep. I'm going to text him and find out. But this looks like a brand new carburetor, guys. Sometimes when you get a brand new carb, it's always, in my opinion, a good idea to clean them. And that's because what they do is basically they build this thing, package it up. It goes through a warehouse, through a truck, from that truck into another warehouse potentially, or its selling location, and it'll sit on the shelf just sitting there, you know, collecting dust, empty tank. And I don't know how, but dust will get in anything that has air. If it's not airtight, dust is in there. My Yarmex I bought, I actually had to clean the carburetor when I first bought it. But enough jaw jacking, let's break this thing down. Make sure you don't lose that. If you lose this thing right here, your washer, you're gonna be mad. Okay, if this was a new carburetor, then that is not a new bolt. Oh no, there's no way this is a new carb. Oh yeah, there's rust in there. Yeah. Alright, there
there's nothing. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Here we go. And yep, it's rusted. That thing, that's rusted on there. Gonna try to show y'all this one-handed. There we go. Yeah, look at that. And here's the drain bolt. Yeah, it's rusted in there. I'm gonna try to take it out, but when they're rusted, they're so brittle they fall apart, and it looks like someone already fiddled with it. But I'm just gonna stick a screwdriver in there and take it out. So I took the screwdriver and screwed it, but it doesn't come out well. Bam, there it is. Okay. Yeah, that thing is gross. There it is right there, guys. Nice and clean. When screwing that jet in, once it stops, that's it. Don't keep going. Okay, now we gotta play. Where does it go? Because he gave me a bag of parts. Hopefully they're all here. Yeah, they are. Looks like it. All right. So when you're installing it, guys, you should be able to hear your butterfly valve in there. If you don't hear it when you shake it, something's wrong. All right, now we're gonna hook her up. Whoops. They are, there we go. Okay. You go here. Nope, you go in the back. And you go like this. Yep, okay. You go like that. Alright, so now that I did my dry mock up, now I got my last one right here. Right there like so. Okay. Okay. Everything's so far so good, guys. That's always disheartening for me. My luck, if it goes well like this, something's gonna go wrong. Okay. Now we gotta put our fuel in. Alright, everything's lined up. Yep. Okay. Put this fuel line on. No, nope, I had it right. These are just weak. Alright. Okay. Do you have fuel? Has fuel. Okay. It's on. Start. Start this one. Run that one. Okay. So start. No primer, no nothing. Okay. Oh, got the fuel off. Huh? There we go. Give it a moment. Bam. There it is, guys. Thanks for coming. And as always, spot you in the next one.